How to connect TEMU to your Shopify account. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily connect your TEMU account with your Spotify shop. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is if you want to connect to any of the account, you just have to go ahead and search for Shopify store. And once you search for it, you are just going to open up the Shopify store. So once you open up the App Store for Shopify, here you will find all of the list of the apps that you can connect to. So basically you just want to search for TEMU. And once you do that, just hit enter. As you can see here, TEMU is not available on the option. But here are other options like AliExpress, Dropshipping, and many more. So in this case, what you can do is just go ahead and open up this website called Order Desk. You just have to sign in real quick. And once you do that, you will have to select your store. So scroll down until you see Manage Integration. And once you get to this page, you will find Shopify right here on top. Tap on Enable. And here you just have to tap on Connect to Shopify. What this will do is you will have to install the Order Desk from the Shopify App Store first. And once you do that, you just have to connect your Shopify store from here. What you can also do is select the Shopify as your store and then make sure that you log into your Shopify store by entering the URL. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.